Hello, Grange EYFS children. Learning is my right and Grange is my school. I do good listening. I use kind words. I always do great actions. I have confidence for myself and consideration for everyone. We only have a few weeks left, but we have to embrace the challenge. Challenge is when things are very hard, when things are not easy, but we have to do them. Then it's a challenge to us. It's hard, it's not easy, but we have to do it. And then we embrace the challenge. That means we don't say, oh, I'm too scared. Oh, I just don't want to have challenge. We say, I'm going to be brave and I'm going to embrace, I'm going to face and hold onto the challenge. And then I'll learn from it. I will succeed and I will grow. We've got a big challenge today because one of our classes has to self-isolate because of the virus. And by staying at home, they're protecting everybody because they stop the virus spreading from one person to another person. And everybody's at home today just to give us a chance to sort out the cover. But you've been brilliant, Grange children of EYFS. So first of all, let's see who classy class is last week. So what I'm going to say is, I tell you, okay, in third place. So this is in classy class number 3. That is Alan Turing. Well done to you with 186 points. In second place, so the number 2 classy class is Olada Equino with 553 points. That's absolutely brilliant. But the classy class of last week in EYFS is Greta Thunberg class with 1,027 points, even more than 1,000 points. Greta Thunberg class, give yourselves a pat on the back. Everybody clap hands for Greta Thunberg class, for all of our children of EYFS, for all of our adults of EYFS doing so well. Here are our class champions. In Olada Equino, class champions are Parativ, Sarah B, Jinan, Idris, and Jasim. You are the class champions of Olada Equino. In Alan Turing, Isabella, Marie-Glena, Yasmin, Isam, and Josiah. Well done, Alan Turing class champions. In Bob Marley class champions, Ali Dan, Abdul Jabbar, Sophia D, and Ryan K. Well done to you. Class champions in Greta Thunberg class, Aftab, Harris, Aliyah R, Lewis, Houston, and Rosanna. So proud of all of you. Now, who are the gold stars? So, in Alan Turing, these are the gold stars of last week. Alan Turing, it's Yasmin. Josiah, so proud of you. And Isam, amazing work. And in Greta Thunberg, Yusuf R. And Aliyah R. And Tauta, fantastic. And Zach, brilliant. So proud of you. And let me just check if there's any more in Parativ in Olada Equino. Well done, Parativ. And are there any more? Those are all our gold stars. So children, one last thing to say is, it's brilliant when you make great choices. When you make great choices, that is great actions and kind words and good listening. Great choices are brilliant things that you do with your character strength, with your superpower of strength in your character, of being your best. Sometimes there are children around you, even could be adults, but let's not talk about adults. Let's just talk about children. Sometimes there are children around you who don't always make the right choice. Maybe they don't listen to the teacher straight away. Maybe they don't share nicely. Maybe they're not playing safely. Those are not good choices. Now, the thing that we have to realize is because we are Grange CC people, that means we don't just care about ourselves, we care about everybody. So if somebody's not making a good choice next to you, it's really important to think of what are the great actions that you can do to help them. Sometimes if you see somebody's in a really bad space, they're having a bit of a meltdown, they're really in a bad mood. Sometimes they just need space. Maybe they need to be safe. You can call an adult and just say quietly so that it doesn't upset them to hear. You can just say, A child is having a meltdown. Teacher, educator, please could you help? Sometimes they are just not sharing nicely. You could say to them, I really enjoy playing with you. I enjoy playing with you even more if you share nicely. I hope you could share nicely next time, please. Or you could say, I don't really enjoy playing when there's no sharing, so I'm going to play by myself. But let me know when you want to share. Little things like this you can do to help a person who's not making great choices. Maybe they're not listening to the teacher. Well, the thing you can do is you can show that you are listening to the teacher. You don't even have to say to them, I'm listening to the teacher. You can show you listening to the teacher. Do you remember star sitting? You sit up straight, you track the speaker. That means you're looking at the teacher and you ask and respond as appropriate, and you respect everybody around you. Because the more you do that, you make a great choice to do star sitting, to do good listening, kind words, and great actions. Then everybody around you gets inspired. That means they also think, wow, that's amazing. I want to be like that. And they do it like that as well. So have a great week, children of EYFS. Alan Turing class, we're thinking of you. Get on your Google Classroom and participate. Do a lot of reading. Be good. Listen to your family at home and work together. So remember, everybody, let's be great. Let's be Grange.